In this video, I'm going to teach you how to combo in Marvel Rivals. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Combos are series of attacks chained together to deal massive damage to your opponents. In this video, I'm going to be talking in general about how you can practice them and how to execute them as different specific heroes. Now, sadly, for this video, I cannot give you a single combo or a powerful combo for every single hero in the game. There are simply too many, and what I recommend is that you look for combos for a specific one. However, the best way to practice these combos is by going over to the practice range. So go over to play and then click practice range. As you can see, it is this icon over here. Then click confirm and you will load in with the people who are in your lobby, including yourself, of course. So essentially, you will need to understand the basics. Each character will have unique abilities, and you have to use these abilities with a specific crucial timing. So you have to be aware of the timing when to use these abilities. You can't just spam them. And of course, the best way to practice is going to be by going over to the practice range. So in here, a combo, for example, from Captain America would be melee, melee, melee. You do all of these moves, you throw the frisbee, and then you can dash in, assuming the enemy was still alive. And as you see here, we still have the diving strike. So essentially, all that you have to do to practice these combos is to go in as various different heroes on the practice range and use the bots here to practice. I really wish I could give you specific combos for every single hero. However, there are way too many. And because of this, I simply wanted to approach the subject on how to get in here to start practicing for yourself. So when you go in here and you browse through all of the heroes, you can try out different combos and moves with them. You can go here with friends if you want to practice together, and you can change the hero simulation here. So as you can see, you can spawn a tankier hero to see how you would perform with various different specific characters. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo in Marvel Rivals. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.